in Burger King. Doing it for the vlog. Volante right here. I don't know what you about to order though, people. What you about to order, man?
I'm about to get shit.
What you mean?
I want to order Burger King.
Man, you tripping. Oh no. Oh, you want to be on the vlog?
Oh no,
man?
I didn't know which way you're pointing.
I'm like, you want to be on the vlog? Guys, so me and Alante about to head to B-Dubs. Go meet up with one of our old high school friend, Marco. And I'm about to go pick up Ken right now. And we about to do it for the vlog.
Ken better have some money or Ken ain't gonna be eating today.
And ting, white life. We supposed to be going to Buffalo Wild Wings, and it's over there in that direction and junk. You know, you see Alante in the back too. Walking on slow, it's word. But yeah, we waiting on Marco and stuff, and then he is taking forever to get here, so you already know how it is, vlog world. So what you gotta say to the vlog?
I'm back, baby. I'm back.
You back, baby.
I'm back, baby.
So we about to just go to Myers over there and go kill some time and wait for Marco. And Alante want to drop off his resume. So yeah. Just got into Myers. Let's see what's going on in Myers. Look at this dude standing here like a almost walked into the door, bro. How you doing? I'm doing it for the vlog.
Man, dog, what if she see this? So I'm like, all right, fuck it. So I go in, go ahead for the kill, and then she's like, after like a minute, she's just like, nope. And I'm like, oh shit. So it's just like that weird moment where you just look like, all right. And then it's like, she's like, I'm like, I'm about to go. I'm like, all right. I'm like, fuck
You
it.
talking about fucking this one girl?
I didn't.
Man, this can't fit on my head, man. Alante, come see if this can fit on your head.
What? This is for a little kid. The little kid's helmet.
First, put it on her.
It's a little kid's helmet.
Man, he just trying to diss me. And look at Ken. What the hell is he doing over here? Oh, muscle man wanna be nigga. What? Gotta get this on the vlog. Look at this one-on-one in Myers. Oh my God! And the crowd is going wild. And Ken misses the shot. And he misses the shot. That's why I don't watch basketball, because people suck. Ken is trash. Y'all see him over there? He's trash.
The lid on there, you don't miss the shot. The lid, ain't no shot going through there.
The lid on there. So what if the lid on there? If he was real, he would have made it.
How the ball gonna go through with the legs? Keep it. Little brother.
He almost. You try to dunk.
I made it.
Oh, look out, man.
Ooh, and the crowd goes wide. Oh, look at that. One-on-one face-off. And the crowd, oh, almost broke his ankle. Oh my God. Oh my God. And the crowd go wild. I might get in trouble if I keep messing with people. She's go wild. Oh, it's all right. You should check me out on YouTube, Andre Walsh.
Oh.
Man,
All the fish, boy.
man, dunk on the fish tank then.
Yeah.
You gonna get killed by this guy right here. Man, he trying to kill your fish, man.
You can't dunk anyways.
He just cooked it. He just fried Ken. Hey, nay.
With more dough, they got
Look at these nice fishes, the way they glowing, boy. Doing it for the vlog. All right, vlog world. So we leaving Myers right now, and we about to head to the B-Dubs across the parking lot because my other friend Marco just got here, and they in the back talking their mouths off like they don't see me trying to talk to you guys, but they some hams. You already know how it is. But yeah, doing it for the vlog. I don't wanna do this anymore.
Come on.
I don't wanna fuck your girl tonight.
Can you let you keep giving me that sign?
Karate kick his ass. Yeah, bro. They do. Everything do gotta be for the vlog. Cause I'm a vlogger. Follow me on YouTube. What up, man? What's going on? Look at you looking all happy. What's going on, man? I'm doing it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog. Everybody getting their food right now, you know. Look at that BS right there. But look at mine. Y'all see this? Eating healthy and doing it good. You a ham, bro. But yeah, we about to dig in. Wildlife. All right, y'all. So we leaving Buffalo. I said Buffalo. I mean Buffalo. But it's Buffalo. We leaving. All right, y'all. All right, Marco. I'll see you tomorrow, bro. Do it for the vlog.
This nigga said tomorrow.
Oh, look at her. She want to do it for the vlog? Yeah. We about to go to the Oak. Shit.
Oh, downtown?
Yeah.
Downtown Detroit?
Nah, bro. Not downtown Detroit. Kill some time. But yeah, we walking back to the car right now. And my man's Ken always trying to hit the quan on some random, jump.
That's that.
Do it for the vlog.
If I can make $10 million off 100 fucking tweets, I'm gonna do that. That's
So you think you about to sit at the house? Or first it ain't $10 million because you only make $140,000.
100 tweets don't take all day.
So
I can tweet 100 times if I'm bored.
You rich as hell. You rich.
Yes.
Right? You about to sit at the house all day to write.
Sponsor these niggas.
To do 100 tweets.
I don't gotta do shit.
Every day.
Somebody gonna give me some. All I gotta do is probably press copy and paste and send, nigga.
So you gonna copy and paste and send and you got
100
tweets all day?
Yes.
No.
For $10 million, yes.
He's rich,
So
man.
what? He got a multi-million-dollar
This
contract.
nigga's funny, Flacco.
He got a multi-million-dollar contract that he getting like 20.
Hold on. What I don't get is what the fuck does this do for them, Flacco? This ain't putting no money in their pockets. No money in these niggas' pockets or nothing,
no,
bro.
he's standing from our we broke mindset.
No, I'm not.
$140,000 to LeBron, who was worth like $500 million, is $1 to us. And so if I said I'm gonna give you $1 to tweet, you gonna tweet all damn day for $1? Hell no,
bro.
So that's the same way.
You looking at
Wildlife. Alright guys, so me and Ken, Latte and Starbucks. I'm about to get some coffee. Cause you know I'm doing it for the vlog. Yeah. Doing it for the vlog all day, every day. It's kind of hot, but it's good. Doing it for the vlog. Wildlife. Hey, Andre Walsh vlogs. What you over here recording for? Hey. 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 Hey.
What if I want? Tell him come here. I got a hot one. I got one. I got a bottle. You want to smoke? I don't do that, but you can though. Let's go. Let's get it. Take it back to the. I quit.